next set of orders. Got them all spray painted and stickers on. These ashtrays are done. So I'm just gonna wrap it like I wrapped that one. This tray, I just need to go get some silver because we're gonna do that one a little different. All right, so these orders are about to go out tomorrow. I'm sorry, y'all. I was just exercising. Well, dancing. That's my exercise for today. But yeah, I gotta finish wrapping those up, and then that one. And then I'm working on this one. This one's gonna be so dope. I'm gonna have this one on my website. It's gonna be the Rolling with the Cowboys. So these are my other set of orders right here. I'm gonna be getting to those today, hopefully.